Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the 5 best pool vacuums you can buy right now. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I've listed them based on performance, features, and price. I've included options for every type of consumer, so whether you're looking for a budget suction pool vacuum, a mid-range pressure pool vacuum, or a premium robotic pool vacuum, we'll have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the XtremepowerUS Automatic Suction Vacuum. This is our best budget pool vacuum. If you're looking for one of the most affordable pool vacuums that can still give you a decent clean without straining your wallet, then the XtremepowerUS Automatic Suction Vacuum Pool Cleaner is one of the most affordable options for you. Currently priced at $80, the XtremepowerUS is less than half the price of most competing suction pool vacuums and features an adjustable design that can climb your pool walls and be used in various directions. The first thing you'll notice about the XtremepowerUS is its adjustable hose, which comes in 10 separate pieces, so you can make it as long or as short as your pool needs without unnecessary excess. It doesn't require any extra cables or power. You just attach it to your existing filtration system and it'll do the rest. You'll find it works on pools of various finishes, including fiberglass, concrete, tile, and even vinyl. You'll find cleaning up is a breeze with its convenient removable flapper, which both prevents debris from being lodged inside and makes removing the existing debris easy. It also has a smooth silicone ripple cleaner head, which glides smoothly across the floor of your pool for easy cleaning. And cleaning it is as easy as rinsing it off occasionally. The cleaner will do most of its work automatically, so you can just enjoy the pool and let it go. It can easily clean the walls and floors, and even curved edges, but you should avoid using it on stairs as it can be damaged. It also doesn't do too well with larger debris like leaves, but will handle dirt, algae, and dust without issue. The key features are: pump, works with 1 horsepower pumps or above. Features: adjustable hose, deflector wheel, and a removable cleaning flapper. The pros are: price. It's extremely well priced for the performance. Simple. Works with your existing filter for simple installation and use. Flexibility. Customizable hose lets you match your vacuum to the pool for easy, tangle-free cleaning. And for the cons? Debris. Struggles cleaning a lot of leaves. If you're looking for an affordable pool vacuum that's reliable and performs well, then the XtremepowerUS Automatic Suction Vacuum is a solid choice that comes with some solid features at one of the most affordable prices that delivers a great clean. The 4th product on our list is the Zodiac Baracuda G3. This is our best suction pool vacuum under $300. If you're looking for a powerful pool vacuum without spending over $300, then the Zodiac Baracuda G3 is one of the best choices for you that runs quiet but performs at maximum efficiency. Currently priced at $255, the Baracuda G3 is a traditional suction pool vacuum but with numerous smart design choices that performs well even with lower horsepower pumps. What you'll first notice when you're using the Baracuda G3 is how quietly it runs. It works with low-speed pumps, but still delivers a powerful suction that leaves the bottom of your pool looking pristine. You'll find the suction is powerful enough to climb along the walls of your pool, with a 36 fin disc that increases adhesion and avoids getting caught on your pool's features. It also has a smart wheel deflector that gives it movement around tight corners without getting stuck or surfacing. It even climbs up and down stairs for a complete clean. If you're concerned about its durability for the price, then you'll be glad to know that it's only got one moving part: its durable lifelong diaphragm. This means it keeps things simple, lowering the chances of something breaking, and if something goes wrong, it's easy to access the diaphragm to repair or replace it. But if you're in the market for something with a higher pressure for your booster pump that can tackle larger volumes of debris, then stick around for the Polaris Vac-Sweep 380 pressure pool cleaner coming up next. The key features are: pump. Works with low to medium speed pumps for maximum efficiency. Features: 36 fin disc, wheel deflector, and long life diaphragm. The pros are: price. $225 is a fantastic price for a pool vacuum. Durability. Scruff-proof hose and durable long life diaphragm make for a solid vacuum. Non-intrusive. Flat, soft design makes it easy to use even while swimming. Flow keeper valve. Automatically regulates water flow to maintain peak cleaning performance. Noise. Operates in near silence. And for the cons, debris. Can only deal with small or medium-sized debris and will clog if exposed to larger refuse. If you're looking for a solid pool vacuum for under $300, then you'll love the Zodiac Baracuda G3. It's quiet yet very powerful, and its efficient suction keeps your pool clean for less money and less effort. The third product on our list is the Polaris Vac-Sweep 380 Pressure Pool Cleaner. This is our best pressure pool vacuum. If your pool collects a lot of debris regularly, and you're looking for a pool vacuum that will be able to not only handle the size of the debris, but collect a good deal of it to support your filters, then the Polaris Vac-Sweep 380 Pressure Pool Cleaner is one of the best options for you. Currently priced at $650, the Vac-Sweep 380 combines vacuuming, sweeping, and scrubbing to provide a powerful clean to the bottoms and sides of your pool with a separate filter bag for all the dirt and debris. While the price is a significant jump from the Baracuda G3, you'll find the power of the Vac-Sweep 380 more than makes up for it with a dual Venturi jet vacuum that pulls up even heavy-duty debris from the bottom of your pool and has specific openings for different sizes of debris. When dealing with a large quantity of debris, your filters can be put through a lot of strain, so you'll really appreciate the Vac-Sweep 380's large capacity filter bag, which collects debris before it can reach the pump and filter, lowering the strain on your filtration system. And because it's a pressure cleaner, you'll notice the Vac-Sweep also moves clean and heated water throughout the pool as it moves, reducing cold spots and providing maximum circulation, so it's great in conjunction with adding chlorine or other cleaning agents for a clean pool. The key features are: pump, works with high-power booster pumps for intense cleaning. Features: dual Venturi jet vacuum, large capacity filter bag, and inline backup valve. The pros are: power, picks up large debris in high volumes with ease. Filtration, large capacity filter bag lowers the strain on your pool filter for more consistent cleaning. Circulation, circulates clean and heated water throughout the pool as it cleans. Powerful debris intake, large opening for big debris such as leaves, acorns, and pebbles. And for the cons, power requirements, can only work with a booster pump. If your pool gets a lot of leaves, acorns, and debris, then the Polaris Vac-Sweep 380 Pressure Pool Cleaner with its heavy-duty design that can tackle the heaviest of pool cleans is one of the best options for you. The second product on our list is the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Robotic Pool Cleaner. This is our best overall pool vacuum. If you're looking for one of the most convenient ways to clean your pool, then the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Robotic Pool Cleaner may be one of the best choices for you. It doesn't require any pumps or hoses and provides a thorough cleaning job. Currently priced at $780, the Nautilus is essentially a Roomba for your swimming pool, with clever clean technology to ensure a thorough clean that saves you time and money. You'll notice the main difference between the Nautilus and its competition is the lack of any hoses or pumps, both of which can make cleaning your pool a lot more troublesome, not to mention expensive. You'll find it has a top-load filter and a top-load filter cartridge, which makes it easier to clean. All you have to do is rinse it and then reload it. It also has a patented swivel cord, which provides the freedom to cover the whole pool when cleaning. You'll also appreciate the clever clean technology that allows the vacuum to detect what areas it needs to clean with complete cleaning coverage of both floors and walls. It even cleans drains. You can even schedule your Nautilus to clean your pool automatically with a touch of a button with 3 settings for cleaning every day, every other day, or every third day, so you can just leave it in the water and let it do its job. Pool cleaning has never been easier. The key features are: pump, requires no external pump or hose, works with power supply alone. Features: dual scrubbing brushes, twin cartridge large filters, and a powerful vacuum. The pros are: smart, clever clean technology for a thorough clean and weekly scheduling for automatic cleans. Energy efficient, doesn't use external pumps. Cleaning, easy to remove filters make for easy cleaning without dealing with pool filters. And for the cons, debris. The Nautilus can't handle very large or heavy debris easily. If you prefer spending more time in the pool than cleaning it, then the convenient Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Robotic Pool Cleaner may be one of the best choices for you. It doesn't require any pumps or hoses and provides a thorough cleaning job all on its own. It's the Roomba for your swimming pool. The first product on our list is the Polaris F9550 Sport Robotic Pool Cleaner. This is our best high-end pool vacuum. If you're looking for one of the top-of-the-line robotic pool cleaners, then the Polaris F9550 Sport Robotic Pool Cleaner should be on the top of your list. Currently priced at $1,080, the Polaris is a premium 4-wheel drive robotic pool cleaner loaded with features and enhanced performance functions that will leave your pool spotless while you sip your drink poolside. You'll first love that the Polaris has a smart 7-day programmable timer with fully customizable cleaning cycles, so you can set it once and forget about it. You can clean your pool as frequently as you like, so you can enjoy your swim in a clear, clean pool every time. You also get a motion-sensing remote, giving you responsive cleaning control in the palm of your hand. It also has its own active motion sensor, so it maps where it's already cleaned and won't clean the same spot twice in any one cycle. You'll find the 4-wheel drive technology helps clean the pool floor, walls, and scrubs the tile line with a solid blade scrubbing brush for a complete and thorough cleaning job. The key features are Vortex vacuum technology, considered as one of the most powerful pool cleaners in the market. Easy lift system. With the touch of a button on your remote, it emerges to a desired location and waits for you to remove it from the pool. 7-day program. Conveniently schedule cleaning depending upon your usage and cleaning needs. The pros are dirty canister indicator. No more guesswork when it's time to empty the filter canister. 4-wheel drive. Aquatrax tires generate more than enough traction to tackle steep slopes and walls. Scrubbing brush. Scrubs the tile line with a solid blade scrubbing brush. Active motion sensor. Unmatched navigation and cleans tight spots and even steps, and uses an advanced navigation system for precise scrubbing in pools of varying shapes and sizes. Thorough cleaning. Cleans debris ranging from big leaves and twigs to silt and pollen. Vortex vacuum technology enables the bot to trap even larger sized debris without any hassle. And for the cons, expensive. It's difficult to put a price on convenience, but for its performance, it's certainly worth the price. If you're looking for a premium robotic pool cleaner loaded with cleaning features, then the Polaris F9550 Sport Robotic Pool Cleaner is a great choice, featuring smart technology and enhanced performance functions to keep your pool spotless conveniently. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now. So if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon for the next video.